Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can draw shapes and trading patterns on TradingView. This is useful for technical analysis, marketing support, resistance, trend lines, channels, and visualizing patterns. So once you're on your TradingView dashboard, you will just have to select any chart of your choice. And now that you're here, you will just have to select full chart. And on your left toolbar, you will just have to select trend line, which is right here. So what you will have to do is you will just have to, so it's either Fibonacci or um, lines, or you could also use patterns for this, or brush, but yeah, it really depends on you. But anyway, what you will have to do is, of course, you will choose a line. So you could also, you could use any of these. So yeah. So for example, we want to choose a trend line or a line. So what you will have to do in order to draw the shape is you will just have to click and drag it on your chart and the shape will appear like this. So yeah, you can use the handles to resize. So just use the handles to resize, to rotate, or to move the shape. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. And if you want to customize your colors and style, you will just have to click this settings button right here. And then of course, in order for you to change the color, you will just have to select the color backs, and you can change it to any color that you desire. And if you would want to change the ends of your line, then you could do this as well. So you can change it to either arrow or to normal. So yeah. So yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And once you're satisfied with your shape, you will just have to click OK. But if you want a different shape, then you can just, go back to these options right here. So yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.